All right, guys and girls, welcome to R44 YouTube channel. Today you find us in the workshop with our G90 M5. This M5, it's a pretty cool spec. It's not for everybody, but it's very cool, and it's finally time to fix one of the probably the worst things on these cars, and that's the sound. So what we're gonna do is show you two modifications that just give this car the upper hand, but without hurting the pocket too much. As we know, BMW's latest kind of revisions of cars just don't sound very good from the intake and the exhaust. So look, have a listen to this stock intake now. All right, so we're gonna open the bonnet or hood now and show you guys what we've installed and kind of run through the product in a bit more detail. So underneath this, we have installed the ram air intakes. These are by far the best value for money when you're starting to mix carbon fiber and an intake. And I think all we wanted to achieve from this build was the sound. We're not looking at what horsepower it's gaining. It probably will gain some horsepower, don't get me wrong, but we're not trying to like increase the power. It's a very fast car. It's more than enough to drive to work. But what we want is that extra bit of sound from this vehicle. So we've opted for this ram air intake, which is really nice. It's got a crossover pipe in carbon that connects to your stock inlets. That crosses over, goes through the stock mount, and then it has a beautiful cone filter that's also black, which is then covered in the carbon fiber lids, which I think look really good. You also have some carbon down the side here, which I think just comes together, makes the engine bay look really nice. And obviously we've already added some additional modifications with the money that we've saved from the ram air. We've invested in the likes of this MHC Stroud, the Downstars, the Golden Wrench. We've obviously gone crazy with the CSF inlets, but they're a super nice bit of kit, and that's probably to help us with the power stuff that we're looking to do in the future. We also have ECU covers and an engine cover fitted to this car. So I think now let's show you the next modification. All right, so mod number 2 of the package is the Scorpion Midpipe. This is the kind of 3-piece kit that is going to replace the middle section of your M5 exhaust system. It's going to remove some of the filters that are the most restrictive and really holding back that sound, but is the most cost effective. And the reason why is the back box has the things such as tips, valves, whereas this is simply 2 pipes at the front that connect to your downpipes. We have some additional filter sensors inside here. You also have this midsection, which kind of has a bit of a H-pipe going on, and then it goes down into these 2 connection pipes that connect to your stock back box. This system can be fitted on every single M5, which is fantastic. It fits North America, European, etc., etc. So all you need to do is block off these bungs if you do not have the sensors in your country. So super simple. Yeah, let's get it. Let's drop it down. All right. There's reasons you do this to your BMW, but yeah, let's do it. So we've installed both of those mods. Oh, what a car, what a car. I hated this car, honestly. I'm sure G90 owners, you can agree. You spent a lot of money on the car. Don't get me wrong, it's all right, it's all right. But there was no sound. We've now put that mid-pipe on, the intake, and you can just hear the pops. Oh. Wow. She's quick, fast car. You've got the mid-pipe availability on it. We tend to always have them in stock. Same with the intakes. We're trying our best to make sure that we've got everything for you guys, especially these, really good value for money. Oh, can you hear those pops? what a quick car. But yeah, you got the whooshing and the pushing, you got the exhaust popping and banging now, you got the intake, yeah. But the best thing is as well, to be honest, close the valves into hybrid, no noise. It sounds exactly as it was before. Easy to fit. You know, the main thing is with these, you can fit them at home, you can fit them at your local garage. The intake 100% at home, you don't need anything more than a basic toolkit. Probably only need like 5 tools to fit the intake, and the exhaust system, your local garage will be able to do it in, I'd say, 2 hours. In the UK, obviously we have the additional filtration, so if you do need any help, let us know. But yeah, what a car. Drives good. The best thing I like about it, when you wake up in the morning, drive away from your house in electric or in hybrid, get away from your house, and then just boom, open those valves up, enjoy the car, and enjoy not spending too much money. I think that's the probably most enjoyable part for myself, is not, when you do an intake and an exhaust, you're not spending, say, I don't know, if you go for an Akrapovic and an Venturi, 2 amazing intakes and product exhaust systems, but you're talking probably close to at least 20,000 US to get it supplied, fitted, done deal, probably. So it adds up massively. So just, yeah, happy modding. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and check back in for another video where maybe we'll do some other mods. Let's say great value for money lowering on the old G90 platform. But yeah, hit us up. More than happy to help everybody. And yeah, like, subscribe, hit that bell button. We'll be back for some more.
Mm-hmm.